I'm gonna play 7 sounds. If you could correctly guess all 7 of them within 1 minute, you get $20.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I give him more. I can't figure it out.
Yo, all right.
Is that Among Us?
Yeah, sound number 2.
Is that Microsoft?
Yeah, that counts. All right, number 3.
FaceTime?
Yep, you got 4 more.
GTA?
Yep. All right, number 5.
Is that the Pixar? Yeah?
Yep.
Is it Kahoot? No. That was Wii. It was the Wii.
Yep.
So did I win or no?
There's 1 more.
Dude, I don't know this one. Is it the Hello Kitty or no?
Oh.
Crazy Frog.
Yep, there you go. And then if you're also already following me, I'll give you $20 extra. Well, here you go, $40.